What's up, guys? I hope you guys are having an awesome, wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining me today. I just want to give you a quick update. I know it's been a long time. I haven't posted anything in the Facebook group. I was really busy with the private label and all these things that we had to get in, ship in. I was moving one brand from my account to another account, and also all the sourcing that you see here behind me was taking a lot of time from me. I was shipping a lot of units, which is really great. Last month we had a phenomenal month, even though we started in I think the 8th of September, but we still closed the month at around around 8 grand, which is really great in net profit. The sales were awesome, so we just continued. I was just sourcing because you guys, as you know, if you were in my Facebook group, there's a lot big chain supply issues. There's a lot of issues with shipping, with supplies, and things are getting very tight. Very hard to find products. So as soon as I find something really good, and right away I go ahead and snatch it, and I go ahead and buy it and try to store it. So if you see all this stuff here, I mean, most of them you have seen them guys before. I've sold a lot of them, which is really great stuff happening. And also I sourced this stuff before yesterday. So you're gonna see a little bit of what I have sourced, and it's gonna hopefully help you with your own journey, with your own starting retail on arbitrage, wholesaling, whatever it is. I really recommend you go ahead and start sourcing, start working, because this Q4 is going to be really awesome because of all the supply chain. Amazon's going to have issues with maintaining their products or having product in stock, so you'll be able to come in with your stock and hopefully be able to sell it. Hopefully, if I can sell 60% of what I have here, I'll be really grateful. I'll be very happy. If I sell more, even awesome. But hey, I really got them for very good deals, and I'm very happy about that. So let me tell you what's going on. As you guys here, you see the shelves were really full before. Now they're emptying. You see a lot of spots here, a lot of spots here, a lot of spots there. I filled up also more. But if you see these, I used to have a big stack of this here. I used to have a big stack of the Porsches and all the stuff. I sold everything, to be honest with you. I made really good. I almost more than doubled on most of them, and I just kept these. I think I had like, I don't know, 80, 70 of these, the same thing, 80 of these. I had a lot of these. I had a lot of these also, I think 50 of them. So this one, the profit, I paid $15, and I was able to average around 15 to 25 bucks in profit. I know during Q4, I'm going to save this one for Q4. I mean, we're in the Q4 already, technically, but I'm going to keep this one for November 15th. I'm going to ship them, and hopefully I'll be able to squeeze a little bit more money. Even these ones, I shipped a lot this week with them, which is really awesome. Here also is all empty. I filled it up. Here, if you see, also filled up. Things are getting a little bit sold, which is I'm very happy about. Also, I had a lot of these. I sold the ones I shipped, they sold in the same day. So I want to ship more, but I'm waiting for Q4. I don't want to let them go. The same time here, you seen these ones. If you guys in the States, these are $39.99. In Canada, they're $49.99. But as I told you guys, I was able to find them in Costco for $39.99. So I want just now. As I told you, I was really pissed about it. How come I paid $49.99? I bought 50 of them, I believe. So I went to the Toys R Us and they match priced it. But be careful, they're going to stop match pricing after the October 15th. So I was lucky to be able to get $10 difference, which is really good. Also, at the same time, we have these. I shipped 3 of them. They sold the same day. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to keep it, and hopefully I will sell it later on. The same time here, I filled up all this, was all gone, which is really awesome stuff. I want to just tell you about a few things that you can source, but let me just open the light and we'll get to it right away. All right, the new stuff. You guys know Pokemon. These stuff are really good. From now, I paid, I think 79 something, 76 bucks. I thought I had 12, but I actually have 11 of them. So sorry for this morning. These ones you'll make like 30-40 bucks. What I'm gonna do, since now there's some supply and there's a lot of people who are newbies, this is the 25th anniversary, so 25th anniversary. These are gonna be really good for later on. So what I'm hoping, I'm gonna save them, and I'm gonna hopefully sell them in Q4. I think it's gonna do very well. Unfortunately, this one is really good. I paid 22 bucks. They go for 60-70 bucks, but unfortunately I got only one. The same thing with this box. It's really good box. I wasn't able to find a lot of them. I mean, they have them in Toys R Us, but I couldn't find them in Walmart. I mean, these were found in Walmart. This is what's Toys R Us. If you find them, buy them. 25th anniversary, you're not gonna lose your money. The same thing with these. I found them from Walmart, and I bought only 6 of them, I believe. So it's not much. And also, I was able to find 25th anniversary Charizard collection, which is also, I only had one, so which is really good. These are going to make good money with them. You guys know me and the wrestlers. I mean, I'm not a big fan of wrestler myself, but I'm a big fan of selling them because they sell very well. The thing that we talked about this morning, Gabby stuff are really cool. I think you should pay attention to them. And I pay the regular price, but I'm still doubling with them. So make your own due diligence. See what's up. Oh, okay. So I have 2 extra Pokemon here, but this is not the 25th anniversary. These are regular anniversary. Me and you anniversary. Okay, so both of them, I just collect them, I guess, to see what's up. The other things we were talking about this morning about the Christmas things. I bought 2 of these because that's the limit they gave me at Legos. As you know, Legos only have limits for stuff. So this one, I'm gonna go to the store and buy a little bit more. You know, this one's gonna retire very soon. You guys know the course that I had for you about how to source product for Legos, how to verify them, how to make money with them. If you see, I'm making really good money with them, and I'm putting my money where my mouth is. The same thing, this one, Nutcracker. There's only 2 I bought. I bought these as well, which is really nice Lego stuff, which is, I think, is going to be awesome. I got a very good deal on this. Their special was in my store that I go to, Walmart, and I was able to get these for $5. Usually I get them for $9, but I got lucky and I get them for 5, so they had 4. I bought them. Guys, these, if you can't find these, I don't know what it is with them. I bought them for $20, but I still sell them for $50 because people love them and very hard to come by. It's been almost 2 months I wasn't able to find them. So if you find these, buy them. I think TikTokers, YouTubers use them for making jokes and stuff like that. I'm not going to show you this. I'm going to show you this. Guys, this one, I paid $40 for it. Okay. Star Wars, the Black Series. I actually bought 2 of them and they were sold in 2 days at $100, even though I paid $40 with them, which is really great. Now, let me tell you about these babies. If you're in Canada, I believe you're going to have the same thing in the US. These ones are $69.99, and I was able to get them for $19. They had a special, store special, hidden clearance, and I bought all of them they got from 2 stores. They're $19. I think you should get them really good. You double up and then some. The same thing with these. I got these for $19. They're the same thing, $59.99 or something. You sell them now on Amazon, you'll double up. I think for Q4, for holidays, they're gonna do phenomenal. Very good, phenomenal, whatever. That's it. The other thing, guys, as I told you, look at a LeBron, Gujitsu, whatever. These are very good. If you find the LeBron ones, you really make good money. I paid $20 and they sell them for $60, which is really great. So let me tell you, also let me give you a quick update of what's going on. These ones, I used to have 2 shelves. One shelf is emptied, which is awesome, and sold them all, which is great. I'm very happy. These ones, I shipped some of them. As you see, they were $9 and I got them for $39. Some of them $39, some of them at $9, which is, I just average it. Let me show you the other side, and I'll tell you about my mistake that I have done. I have done a little bit of a mistake, and this is because of Lego when I was learning how to do the Lego stuff. Oh, let me know what, since I'm here. Today I talked to you guys about Twist Rock, Rocket Twist. These ones are $59 or $49.99. I was able to get them for $19. If you see, here's full. I have both of them, the green and the pink one. Now, what did I do a mistake? I'll tell you what I did a mistake. First of all, these all for Christmas, the gingerbread house. They're really good. But I'm sending these after because Amazon still have them in stock. So I'm going to wait on them. The ones I made the mistake with is these, I believe. Let me show you these. I bought these. They were in a very good special for $15. but Amazon on them all the time, and I don't think they're retiring anytime soon. I saw them on the website, they said it was retired, but they didn't get retired, so I'm not sure what's gonna happen with these, but it is what it is. I have a lot of them, see, big load. The same thing with these ones. Let me just move here and show you. The same thing with these ones. Okay, I bought 15 bucks, which is really good price. I know I'm gonna do very well with them, hopefully, but I don't think I'm gonna sell out. That's what it is. I don't think I'm going to sell out. I might sell some of them, but I don't think it's a sellout stuff. You know what I mean? So we'll see what happens with these. This one, I think I'm gonna do well with them, which is these. They're retiring this year, so if you want to buy some, buy some. They're really good because 3-in-1. You'll be able to do the new Corvette, old Corvette, blah blah blah. So see here, 2-in-1. Sorry, you can do the old Corvette and the new Corvette, which is really awesome. The other thing you see here, the shelf. I know you cannot see it, but I don't have a light here. All right, so basically here the shelf was full. Is empty. Remember these? I sold them all. I sold them all. These ones, I sold them all. I only have 6 left of these, and I think I had a lot of them. So this is the quick update I wanted to tell you guys about. I wanted you to be aware of what's going on, telling you what I'm buying. I'm buying a lot of other things as well. If you see here, all these are brand new. This is all brand new here. I bought new stuff. I sold and reshelved. All the Ryan's World stuff, they're all sold out, done. So I have a lot of replenishing, and I bought these in new. So a lot of things I bought brand new, and I sold a lot. So which is I'm very happy and grateful about, and I think I'm really gonna do well with them. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, hit the notification bell. At the same time, if you like this kind of videos, let me know, so hopefully I'll be able to post more of them. If you want to learn more about how to do retail online arbitrage, let me know. I might do some videos on YouTube or release some of the videos that in my course. It's not a paid course, okay guys? I just have a mastermind that my student asked me to do. They go in the mastermind, and then I just give them all the courses for free. The private label, the retail online arbitrage, the Lego course. We do weekly webinars for asking all, answering all the questions. Any question they have, any difficulty, we'll be able to discuss it all as a team, as family, and that's what's gonna help us to help each other, because I don't know all the answers. There's a lot of times I depend on my group, I depend on my people, because these are the people who are doing it right now. I have done this stuff from a long time, so I know things right away. So if you want to get ungated, we know exactly how to get ungated for everything. You want to get in Lego, you want to get ungated in toys, whatever, we'll be able to help you. In groceries, in beauty, whatever it is, we'll be able to help you. So if you join the group, it's $100 if you want to. If you don't want to, it's okay. But I'm still gonna keep giving a free content. But just the stuff like very special, like Lego, whatever, I cannot just put in YouTube, because for now, until maybe a month or something, then I will release it. But for now, I want my group to benefit, because they got my back from day one, and I really appreciate it. I think without them, I wouldn't continue doing what I'm doing. There are few people in the group, but I'm very, very, very grateful. We are like working. When you work for yourself and you work online, is very difficult, but having people around you like them really helps you a lot, and I'm very, very grateful. And you know what? It is what it is. If you guys want, go ahead, check it out. If you want more videos, let me know, and I'll end it with my daughters here helping me with my, say hello. Hello. How much you love daddy? Too much. Let's do it, guys. Okay, that's it, guys. Take care, and I'll see you the next time, and have yourself a wonderful, wonderful long weekend. Take care, everybody.